Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's doing good, keeping safe and being good to yourselves. Just wanted to show you guys what I was making for my dinner tonight. Ackee and some saltfish, simple dish. I have some ackee that was in the can. I boiled it to and drain off the water. The ackee is already cooked, but I just like to boil it in some water to get rid of anything that was inside of it. Some codfish, saltfish. I like to boil mine to get rid of the salt. You can either soak yours overnight. Everybody's different. Boneless. It did say boneless on it, but I noticed I had to pick out a few small pieces of bones, so just be careful. There we go. There's the next salt bone here. Okay, so here I have one small onion, one small tomato, one small scallion. I like to use garlic, so I just have a small piece of garlic, and I'll be using some scallion, some black pepper. I do not use salt because there's a little bit of salt in the codfish. So I added some oil already to pot. So I'm going to add the vegetables first. It's up to you. You can either add your codfish, but I like to add this first. So I'll add this first, then I add the saltfish, ackee, and then the thyme. Very simple. And pepper. It's up to you. Some people put red pepper, green pepper in it. I'm not going to put the pepper because my kids will be eating it, so. But I mean, I can put the pepper in it just for the flavor, just as long as I don't put the seed in it. So I'm just going to make this pot hot. Okay, sorry guys, I'm actually going to put the pepper in after all. Okay, so turn it up a little bit. Very simple, doesn't take long. And I have my white rice in my rice cooker. You can eat it with rice, potatoes, dumpling, banana, you name it, even bread. So I'll be having this for dinner tonight, and if there's leftovers in the morning, I'll be eating it with some toast. So you can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Up to you. Some people prefer not to eat it with the codfish. You can just eat the ackee by itself with the rice. It's your preference. Or if you don't want the ackee, you just want to eat the codfish, then it's all up to you. So remember, the ackee in the can is already cooked. So okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper. So it's very simple to make. I'm just going to add the codfish. I'm going to add the thyme, and I'm going to add the pepper. I'm not going to burst it or anything because the seed is very hot, so just for the flavor, put that in there. And I'm going to cover it for about 10 minutes and it should be finished. Very simple. I think I might add a little bit more black pepper.
Mommy?
Yeah. Okay guys, so there we have it. I'll turn it down a little bit. For about 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? So I'll be serving with some rice and some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys soon.